Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here and talk to you about how I use the DermaRoller after I posted about it on my stories and got a lot of questions. So I have a bare face. I have nothing on right now. I just washed my face. I took off my eye makeup first and then I cleansed my whole face just to get it really clean. And I figured that was a good way to start because that's how I always do this. I do it like 2 to 3 times a week. I try to do it. Sometimes I miss, sometimes it's once a week, but that's what I normally do. I did put a little bit of eye cream under my eyes just because I just naturally always like my instinct to do that. But before so this is my DermaRoller. This is what it looks like. It's like little needles and it spins. And I like to use vitamin C serum, so I put vitamin C serum on first, all over my face. Oh my gosh, it's like running low on that. Anyway, so I put this all over my face. It's a serum. This is not an oil serum, so it kind of like goes in nice and like sinks right in. And it's a vitamin C with squalene, blood orange in it, so it's really good. And then I use a vitamin E oil because I feel like the oil really helps the DermaRoller go over your skin nice. So this I put on all over first, and I actually love the way it feels to have an oil on before I go to bed, because you get to sleep with it and absorbs into your skin, and then you wake up in the morning with like gorgeous skin. Like literally, whenever I put a vitamin C serum and oil on, my skin feels amazing in the morning, and I try not to ever miss it. But that's all I do to get it to look like this. And then I usually start, so you really only have to do it in areas that you see like fine lines and wrinkles, or where you want to see a little bit of improvement. It is a little pinchy. It's needles, like fine needles breaking the skin to help produce more collagen and elastin, because your body, your skin goes to that area to help repair it, which produces more collagen. So this is where I usually do it first, and I just roll it like 10 times this way. It's going to get a little red looking because of the needles. And then I go 10 times this way. And then I go diagonal 10 times. And then diagonal 10 times this way. And that's about it. You want to do 10 times like in every direction. See how it gets like red? And then I do my forehead a little bit. And sometimes I don't even do like all of the directions or 10 times, but I try to do it enough where I feel like it's helping. And it's just like rolling over the skin really nicely. And then diagonals. See how red it's getting. The redness goes away pretty quick though. And then I don't know if this is recommended. It probably isn't, because it's a very delicate area. But I like to try to keep my collagen being produced under my eyes. I don't do this. I do it very lightly, and I don't do it that many times. But I just like go under here. And it helps like with any like darkness, and makes your skin like puffier again, not puffy, plumper again. And then I'll do like this area sometimes where I feel like I don't want to get those lines and creases. I do try to be like more preventative, I guess you'd say. Down in this area, right here is where I really do, like if I see any wrinkles, it's always right here, so that's where I focus on the most. But I'll do like this area. I'll do over here a little bit, really lightly, like barely touching the skin, and not that many times, because it's such a delicate area that you don't want to go over it too much. But the fun part about a DermaRoller is you can do anywhere. So I would suggest using this only for your face, just to keep it clean, and to clean it with like peroxide, just to keep it, because it is needles going into your skin. But if you want, you can like DermaRoll your hands, you can DermaRoll your chest, you can DermaRoll your neck if you want to. Really like anywhere on your body that you want to. But it works amazing. And that's it. That's all I really do, is I just go over every area. Gets a little bit red. The redness goes away, and you'll wake up in the morning with really gorgeous skin, and it really does help prevent wrinkles. And I really think it's a good alternative, natural solution to, you know, Botox or plumpers, for now anyway, that I've seen. I'm not saying that I wouldn't ever do it, just I haven't done it, and so I wouldn't do it yet, but I'm not against anything. So that's it. I hope this was helpful and useful. My links to the DermaRoller is in my Like to Know It shop link in my Instagram. If you have any questions, I'm always happy to answer them. And that's it. I hope you guys try it out. Let me know how it goes, and I will see you soon. Bye.